There is a lot of method to create and cut hole through mesh or surface, but I find this 3 method are the most practical way of doing it. To cut a hole on object, we first need to create cylinder for the hole. After that, join this 2 mesh into 1 mesh. Simply select the 2 object and press Ctrl J. Go to the Edit tab by pressing Tab. Select the face that intersect with the object by using the Face Select tools. Hold down, Alt, and select the face. Then, in the Face Option tabs, select Intersect Boolean. The second method is by using bevel tools. Start by creating vertices on the place that we want to create a hole. Let's subdivide this surface first. Select the vertices and followed by pressing Ctrl-Shift-B to bevel the vertices. Drag your mouse to create the hole. You may want to change the parameter in the bottom down corner. Select the face and hit Delete to create the hole. The third and also the best method is by using Boolean Modifier. Start by creating cylinder for the hole. Select the mesh that you want to cut a hole. Then, in the Modifier tab, select Boolean Modifier. Using the eyedrop button, select the cylinder. Let's change the cylinder visibility. Make sure the cylinder is selected. Then go the Object Properties tab. Then, select Viewport Display. Choose Wire so we can better view the shape of the hole that we're creating. The good thing about this method is that we can still adjust the shape of the hole later on, because nothing is applied to the original object. Let me show an example by using this method. You can have the idea on how to apply this method on your workflow. Note that you have to apply the modifier in the Modifier tab in order to edit the cut in Edit mode. If you go to the Modifier tab without applying the Boolean modifier, the hole will disappear.